The human brain has about 100 billion neurons. Each neuron fires on average about 200 times per second, and each neuron connects to about 1,000 other neurons. So every time a neuron fires a signal, 1,000 other neurons get that information. In fact, your brain is so incredibly fast, it processes around 200 million bits of information every second. This next fact is quite disgusting. The average person produces around 25,000 quarts of saliva in a lifetime. That's enough to fill 2 large swimming pools. What a lovely thought. A swimming pool filled with saliva. It's enough to put you off swimming for life. Being in love. That warm, fuzzy and exciting feeling. Well, that feeling is because when we're in love, the human brain releases the same cocktail of neurotransmitters and hormones that are released by amphetamines. This leads to an increased heart rate, loss of appetite and sleep, and intense feelings of excitement. 1 square centimetre of human skin contains the following: 3,000 sensory cells, 12 heat sensors, 200 pain sensors, 700 sweat glands, 1 yard of blood vessels, and 4 yards of nerves that send messages to the brain at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. The average person consumes about 35 tons of food during his or her life. That's a hell of a lot of food. To put that into perspective, that's around the same weight as 3 London buses. On average, your heart beats around 4,800 times per hour. That's an insane 115,200 times per day. Over the course of a year, your heart would beat around 42,048,000 times. We humans are the best long-distance runners on this planet. We're better than any 4-legged animal. In fact, thousands of years ago we had a rather unique way of hunting using this ability. Humans back then would simply chase their prey for miles upon miles until it would give in and collapse from exhaustion. Your eyes are the second most complex organ in your body after your brain. They're capable of detecting around 10 million unique colours. If they were a digital camera, they'd be around 576 megapixels. Now this one's gonna creep you out. Depending on how old you are, it's quite likely that you have a thriving community of eyelash mites. These tiny creatures live on old skin cells and they can't be seen with the human eye. They are about 1/3 of a millimetre long and they're usually harmless, although they can cause an allergic reaction in a minority of people. The condition of your nails can be a good indication of your overall health. For example, nails that are soft and brittle with no moon could indicate an overactive thyroid. Nails that have ripples in them may be a sign of disease in the body. Nails with bumps could mean problems in the liver, lungs, or